Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to format USB drive or pen drive in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. If you purchased a new pen drive without formatting it, you will have to format it in order to use it. Disk formatting is a built-in feature of all operating systems. You may use Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. There is no difference between the OS version and how you manage the disk. In order to be able to use a new pen drive normally, you need to format it if you bought it without formatting or creating a new partition. The operating system can only recognize the formatted disk structure. How to format a pen drive or USB drive with File Explorer. To format a pen drive or USB drive, open File Explorer or Windows Explorer by pressing Windows logo plus E keys simultaneously. Select this PC or computer in the left navigation pane. Now, right-click on the USB drive or pen drive and select the Format option. A Format dialog box will open. If you want, change the file system, allocation unit size, etc., and then click on the Start button. When dialog box opens, click OK. You should see a Format Complete message. Click OK. Formatting is completed now. How to format a pen drive or USB drive with Disk Management tool. This method is useful if your USB drive does not appear in File Explorer. So, click on the Start or Search button at Taskbar and type Disk Management. In the search results, click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. When you're done, the Computer Management window will open. Right-click the USB drive entry and select the Format option. It will launch a new window with formatting options. Here, you can change the volume label, file system, etc. Once you are ready with the above options, click OK to format your pen drive or USB thumb drive. That's it.